Today we have a NOKIA X30 and today I will show you how you can remove a notification virus and any other virus on this phone. So if you see something like that on your phone in your notification section, it means you have a notification virus. You can try to remove it without an antivirus app by just opening the app info. To open it, just hold your finger on this app and click on this small icon. Now go to the storage and cache and manage space. Now by clicking this button you can clear all data from your web browser. Be careful, you will lose every unsaved info like passwords, forms and etc. So we can now do it. If this way didn't work for you, you can try to download some antivirus app from the Google Store, but remember to choose a trusted company. I will show you it on the Avast. So we have to open the Avast now. Next, skip, continue with free and continuous free. Now just add a permission here and go back. Now just choose your scan. You can use the regular scan or deep scan. I will choose regular. And now your Avast on your phone looking for your viruses. Then you can delete it. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe and goodbye.